Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the group comparison view. From the workflow instances list, for the load record that you want to see detail on, click on the Show Details button. You will then be taken to the detailed view page for that load. On the detailed view page for the load, you will be able to see the timeline and movement of the load. When you click on two or more checkpoints, a compare toggle will appear and you are now able to do a group comparison. Clicking compare will take you to a new page which displays detailed load data for each checkpoint side by side, and the DLT Freight platform shows any changes in green.